Welcome, today I am with GoPro Hero 10 Black and I will show you how you can remove or input your battery. So at the first we have to turn our GoPro like that, of this characteristical part, and we have to pull this plastic part toward us, and when you will hear that characteristical sound you can release this part and then open it like that. When you open, you can find battery in this place, so when you grab this part, this sticker, you can remove this battery, and as you can see, that's how it looks inside. So here you can also find some kind of the sticker with data, and if you want to put this battery back, you have to put it like that. Also you can find here SD card slot and USB-C. So yeah, to put it back, just press and it will jump out. So as you can see, that's how I can make it. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe.